Hello and welcome to Signing with Omar. Today is review of numbers 1 through 30. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, starting with number 1, extend out that index finger. 2, now you extend out the middle finger as well. For 3, you extend out the thumb laterally, but make sure the viewer can see the thumb. 4, 5, 6. Now, did you notice with 6, I turned my palm, and the palm now faces the viewer, and I tapped the pinky and the thumb, just a little tap. 7, the ring finger and the thumb touches. 8, the middle finger and the thumb touches. 9, the index finger and the thumb touches. And for 10, you just make a fist and shake that before the viewer. This is 10. Are you ready for numbers 10 through 20? 10, 11. Now for 11, I just flicked my index finger. This is it from the side. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now did you notice for 16, I started with a fist. The palm was facing me. I twisted it right towards the viewer, and I tapped the pinky and the thumb, forming the 6. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Are you ready for numbers 20 to 30? 20, 21. Notice I just bent at the joint of the thumb. 21, 22. I made an arc from left to right. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Are you ready to go through the numbers straight from 1 to 30? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Congratulations! I hope you learned something from this review. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Last but not least, hit that notification button. If you're interested in learning more about American Sign Language, please take a look at my video series on common ASL signs.